Watch the flecks. The flecks will go white crusty, then glassy. You don't need to see that blob. It's slightly different color silver because of the zinc content in the solder. So I'm going to file it down. Once it's soldered down to the back plate, it has to pop in from the front. So you want to make sure. Perfect oval back plate. Give yourself that room all around in case the bezel were to move on you while soldering, because otherwise your solder will go flying across the room. So definitely just block with your finger, and I'll do a little snip, 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 snip in action. I usually tape them to these boards. I find that nice. It's a nice flat surface. If we were to just go like this with it, you'll get like an angle to your bezel, and we definitely do not want to have an angled bezel where one side's higher than the other. So figure eight sort of ensures you're hitting each plane equally. If you're finding it hard to see where the bezel hits the back plate, sometimes I take a little like skinny Sharpie and make a little line so I can see exactly where that dark area is, and I can follow along a little bit easier.